If you want to know how to pin a message in Discord, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it on Discord using your PC, step by step, so you can save important messages and make them easy to find later. This is great for reminders, rules, announcements, useful links, or any message you want to keep at the top of a channel. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your PC and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you're inside Discord, go to the chat or server where the message you want to pin is located. This can be a direct message, a group chat, or a channel inside a server. The key is to make sure you are in the exact conversation where the message appears. Now find the message that you want to pin. Take a moment to double check that it's the correct one, because pinned messages are meant to help people quickly access important information. Once you've found the message, right-click on it to open the menu of options. You'll see several actions appear, but what you want to look for is the Pin Message option. Click on Pin Message, and Discord will ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation step helps make sure you really want to pin that message. Go ahead and confirm it, and that's it. Your message is now pinned in Discord. After that, anyone with access to that channel can easily find it in the Pinned Messages section, which makes communication much more organized and efficient. If you ever need to unpin it later, you can follow a similar process from the Pinned Messages menu. And that's how you pin a message in Discord on PC in just a few simple steps. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more helpful Discord guides just like this one.